Greetings and welcome to my channel. My name is Shanique and today I'm going to be making a delicious drink. What I'm going to be using is Asian pear, and I also have some organic limes and ginger. And I might add some mint to it also, okay? So first we're gonna prep our pear. I'm just gonna slice it up. And then we're gonna juice this all up. You could juice it with the seed if you prefer, because it will be filtered through the juicer, but I'm just gonna remove the core. I already have the lime peeled. If you want, you could leave on the peel to give it a little kick. Now I'm just gonna slice this in half. And as you can see, we have some seeds in here. As I said, it will be filtered through the juicer, so it doesn't really matter if you remove the seeds or not. And I always go with organic ginger. It has a stronger taste, so you know you're gonna get that nice punch, that nice kick that I like. If you don't like ginger really strong, just use maybe an inch or so. So I'm gonna cut another Asian pear. Now let's put this aside and bring over our juicer. So today, I already started juicing, you know, but let's get this juicer over here. So now we're just going to load up the hopper with the pear and of course the ginger, lots of ginger. Make it nice and strong. And we have our lemons. This juice recipe can be found in Nama's holiday guide with lots of different festive recipes which you could share with your family, friends, and loved ones. I'll place the link in the description box below. I'm using the Nama C2 Juicing Blender. You could use my code ShaniqueC2 for $80 off. If you already have a blender and you're just looking for a juicer, you could use my code Shanique10 for 10% off all Nama Well juicers. And if you're looking for a cool gift, I mean the holidays are almost here, this is the perfect gift to give. So I have some fresh mint, which I'm going to also add in here just to give it a little more kick. It's great to add herbs into your juices. Did you know the antioxidants that are found in mint leaves may help to improve your blood circulation and prevent free radical damage to the skin? Mint is rich in iron, potassium, magnesium, and minerals. Growing up, mint tea was one of my faves. My grandmother would always make me some nice mint tea and it was always so delicious. So I just tasted it and it needs a little bit more ginger. So I have some more fresh ginger, which I'm going to add because we're going to be adding some spring water to it. And yeah, we like our ginger strong. I'm going to be adding some more ginger. This time of year, I add extra ginger. You know why? Because it's cold and flu season. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties which are great for us to help to boost our immune system. It also has anti-inflammatory properties which will help with joint pains. So now I have some sparkling spring water and I'm going to add it to the pitcher. About 20 ounces. I may not add 20 ounces. I'm just gonna add some. I don't really want too much. This is organic maple syrup. Now this is totally optional. You could add date syrup or whatever sweetener that you prefer. So a total of 2 tablespoons. And now we're going to add in our juice. So I'm feeling a bit festive, so I will be also adding some of the limes. So I forgot to mix it. So we're gonna mix that up. to fully incorporate all of the maple syrup inside of the juice. Now we're going to add in our lemon slices. Now let's pour our juice. This is how we taste things in Jamaica. Sour. It was too sour for me. I had to add a little bit more maple syrup. That's why taste tests are very important. You'll know how much or how little you need. Now look how beautiful that juice looks, and it's so refreshing. I'm telling you, you guys have to try this. And there you have it, this delicious festive drink. Now let's have a taste test, right? So cheers. Ooh, this is good. Okay, so I'm tasting the ginger, the strong ginger, so you get a little burning sensation in your throat. Then the lime is like, so it's tart, but yet it's sweet and refreshing because of the Asian pear along with the maple syrup. It gives it a nice flavor. And I do also taste the mint. It's quite good, it's refreshing. Very easy recipe to make. So try it and let me know how you like it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. And hit the notification bell and you'll be notified every time I'm live or I drop a new video. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.